This is the highway to 10K, a challenge where I try to make $10,000 online as fast as possible. New month, same expenses, you know how it goes. Almost $300 off of what we've currently made, but that's fine because I can't stop getting free stuff. A couple of days ago, I bought some Stanley tumblers from Dick's Sporting Goods using DoorDash. I greet my dasher at the door, he gives me the order, I open the order, and they're all the wrong colors. I bought 5 tumblers which were supposed to be black, but instead, I got these. Now, obviously, these are not what I bought. So I went to DoorDash customer support and honestly, they were giving me a really hard time. Eventually, they asked me for proof of what I received versus what I actually paid for. Thankfully, the dasher included the receipt in the bag, so I was able to send all of that in. And then eventually, they gave me a full refund back to my original form of payment. I was ready to go to Dick's Sporting Goods and just return and or exchange them myself, but they just sent me a refund and now I have 5 Stanley tumblers. That's probably gonna sell. Not probably, obviously gonna sell. For the fantastic price of free. On top of all of that, we did make some sales. Nothing too crazy, made a few bucks, and I'm pretty happy about that. Finally, it is here, the long-awaited Jordan 4 Bred Reimagined release. These are scheduled to come out on the 17th. However, there is going to be an early drop today in about 10 minutes. And we're finally able to try a Nike shoe bot out on Nike. Keep in mind, this is my first time using it, so I feel like there is a 30% probability that I just screw up some sort of setting, and as a result, I get nothing. Let's see what's gonna happen in about 10 minutes. Hopefully my setup doesn't completely flop. Let's get into it. Damn, bro, all of these tasks entered. Smooth as butter. You know what? I'm gonna enter on my phone too, just in case. Oh, I cop, bro. Ooh, nice. Got a men's pair. Let's go. Oh, just hit another. Today, we are blessed with yet another Nike release. Kobe 8s are dropping in 2 different colorways. We are going to be using Nike ShoeBot, and considering the amount of important Nike releases this month, I'm highly tempted to buy more accounts because right now I'm only rocking with 34 accounts because I wanted to start off small, make sure everything is good and working before I go all in. But at the same time, I want to keep my expenses low. But at the same time, Nike accounts are typically just one-time purchases. So honestly, I'm not really sure what to do, but it's all right. We're going to attack whatever's in front of us right now, and hopefully we get at least 1 or 2 pairs. Fellas, it's not looking good. I copped this Amazon Fire Stick for only $16. The way I got this for extremely cheap was by taking advantage of Instacart's extremely generous referral program, where they basically give you anywhere between $40 to $50 off for free on your first order. And got a couple of things from Buyer's Portal. This one is a dash cam, as you can see, and this one is a handheld gaming console. This is my personal console that I actually paid for. This one is from Buyer's Portal that I'm getting for free, and I actually sold it already on eBay. And I also sold one of those green Stanley tumblers and this gray Under Armour hoodie, which to be honest wasn't really worth my time. So I'll be packing these up and shipping them out today.
Wrong way, bring it back.
Most of the Jordan 4 Bred Reimagineds came in. Everyone's seen these already. Timeless silhouette with a timeless colorway. These are beautiful. Not much else to be said about them. As far as resale prices, I don't actually think you can make like tons of money per pair. However, this is one of those shoes where you can't really go wrong with getting a bunch of these. It's been a really long time since I went all out on a release, and finally we are going to be able to do that again on the 17th. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.